It's hard to believe that it's been 3 years since Apple first introduced the dynamic island on the iPhone 14 Pro. The feature was a big step forward at the time, bringing a new level of interactivity and design. But since then, it's stayed pretty much the same, leaving many to wonder when Apple would finally make a change. That moment seems to be arriving with the highly anticipated iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple is planning to make a significant overhaul to the front design, promising a fresh look for the first time in years. According to credible sources, including the well-known leaker Digital Chat Station, Apple is set to incorporate cutting-edge Meta Lens technology into the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This new technology will allow the dynamic island to shrink and become more compact, addressing one of the few design features that has remained unchanged in recent models. The shift from the current lens system to Meta Lens technology will be a game changer for Apple. So what exactly is Meta Lens technology? Unlike the traditional curved lenses in current iPhones, Meta lenses are ultra-thin and use nanostructures to manipulate light. This innovation makes them lighter and more space-efficient, allowing for a reduction in the size of the dynamic island. Even more impressive, Apple plans to integrate key Face ID components into this new Meta Lens system, which will result in a thinner, more efficient design overall. The excitement doesn't stop with just the iPhone. According to leaks, Meta Lens technology may also make its way to future iPad Pro models, potentially including a foldable version. This means that Apple could be applying the same design improvements across a wide range of devices, resulting in sleeker and more compact designs. But what's even more groundbreaking is Apple's long-term goal, placing the entire Face ID system behind the screen. While this technology won't be ready for a few years, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to mark the beginning of this major transition. In addition to the redesign, Apple is rumored to be making other significant changes to the iPhone 17 Pro. Leaks suggest that the device will feature even thinner bezels, creating a more immersive display experience. There are also reports that Apple is experimenting with sloping edges and mixing materials like aluminum and glass in the back design. These changes aim to make the iPhone feel fresh and exciting again, especially after the iPhone 16, which was an excellent phone but didn't bring as many groundbreaking innovations. Apple seems eager to regain its position as the frontrunner in smartphone design, but the upgrades don't end there. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to come with a 48-megapixel periscope camera, greatly enhancing the zoom capabilities. Additionally, Apple may introduce a 48-megapixel front camera, which would significantly improve selfie quality and video calls. With these improvements, Apple is set to elevate the camera experience for both professional photographers and casual users alike. Apple is also shaking up its entire iPhone lineup, with a new model called the iPhone 17 Air expected to replace the Plus model. This device is likely to compete directly with Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge, offering customers even more choices. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 series will be powered by Apple's new A19 chip, which is built on an upgraded 3nm process. This will likely lead to better performance, enhanced battery efficiency, and smoother overall user experience. In addition, the iPhone 17 Air might be the first device to feature Apple's own in-house modem, reducing its reliance on third-party suppliers. With all these changes, Apple is aiming to make the iPhone 17 series one of the most exciting releases in years. The company knows that customers are eagerly awaiting something new and innovative, and it looks like Apple is finally ready to deliver. With improved design, better performance, and advanced camera capabilities, the iPhone 17 lineup could redefine the smartphone experience. What do you think about these updates? Are you excited about the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech. Could Apple be preparing to introduce its most budget-friendly iPhone yet? A recent post from Tim Cook has sent shockwaves through the tech community, sparking a flurry of speculation. Is the much-anticipated iPhone SE 4 finally making its appearance, or is Apple planning to surprise us with something entirely new? On February 13, Tim Cook shared a cryptic message on X stating, "Get ready to meet the newest member of the family." Wednesday, February 19, while he didn't specify any particular product, the tech world has quickly jumped to the conclusion that this could be the long-awaited iPhone SE 4. The timing of this announcement coincides with rumors circulating for weeks that Apple might unveil this new device soon. However, as always with Apple, nothing is confirmed, leaving us to wonder if there's more to the story. This tease came just a day after Apple took an unexpected step by launching the Apple TV app on Android devices. This move marks a shift for the company, signaling its intent to expand beyond the Apple ecosystem and attract new users. While the Android app release generated some buzz, it wasn't the major reveal many were hoping for. Some speculated that the iPhone SE 4 would be unveiled on February 12th, but instead we saw the Apple TV app make its debut. Now, with Cook's latest message, the spotlight once again shifts to the potential iPhone SE lineup. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, a respected Apple analyst, weighed in on the post, suggesting that Cook's use of the phrase newest member of the family could hint at more than just an iPhone SE update. It's possible Apple is planning to rebrand the SE series or introduce a completely new category of affordable devices. If this is the case, it could represent a shift in Apple's strategy for its lower-cost smartphones. If the iPhone SE4 is indeed the star of the show, it's expected to come with a number of exciting updates. One of the most significant changes could be the removal of the traditional home button, marking a transition to Face ID for the SE series. This would align the device with Apple's more premium models, giving it a more modern feel. Additionally, rumors suggest that the SE4 could sport a fresh new design, potentially borrowing elements from the iPhone 14. It could also feature integration with Apple Intelligence, a suite of artificial intelligence-powered enhancements aimed at improving everything from photos to Siri interactions. However, Apple isn't stopping with just the iPhone SE4. Alongside it, there are whispers of another upcoming device, the iPhone 17 Air. This model is rumored to be the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever created, featuring a powerful A19 chip and a single-lens camera system. Some believe this device could replace the iPhone 17 Plus, offering a streamlined design while still delivering the power and performance that Apple is known for. However, this device is expected to be released later in the year, making the February 19 event a focal point for the tech community. As we eagerly await the big announcement, the question remains, what exactly will Apple reveal? While the iPhone SE4 seems like the most likely candidate, Apple has a knack for keeping its plans under wraps, and there's always the possibility of a surprise product. Could it be a new Apple Watch, a completely new device that no one saw coming, or perhaps an updated version of an existing product, redesigned for the future? Whatever the outcome, it's clear that the February 19 event will be one to watch. Apple's carefully orchestrated teases always stir up excitement, and this time is no different. Whether it's the redesigned iPhone SE4 or an entirely new product, this announcement has the potential to set the stage for the company's next big move. What are your thoughts on Apple's upcoming reveal? Do you think it's the iPhone SE4, or could Apple have something else in store? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest Apple news, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Samsung Galaxy S25 users have encountered an unexpected issue when taking photos, unwanted horizontal or vertical lines appearing in their shots. This problem, commonly known as banding, has left many frustrated, especially when capturing images in low light conditions. Reports from Reddit and Samsung forums indicate that this issue is widespread, affecting multiple models, including the premium Galaxy S25 Ultra. Despite its powerful 200-megapixel camera, even this high-end device isn't immune to the problem. Users have noted that night mode often introduces streaks of light or dark bands, while strong lighting and high-contrast environments seem to worsen the effect. Interestingly, switching to expert RAW mode or using third-party camera apps appears to eliminate the issue, suggesting that Samsung's image processing software may be responsible, rather than a hardware flaw. The first mentions of this issue came from a Galaxy S25 owner who noticed a recurring thick line with an unusual color in their photos. As more users started reporting similar experiences, it became clear that this wasn't an isolated problem. The growing number of complaints led to further investigation, with many wondering whether the issue stemmed from software optimization rather than a hardware defect. Some have attempted to troubleshoot the problem on their own, and a few solutions have been shared. Adjusting the shutter speed to 30 seconds in Pro mode has been effective for some.